Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are having such a nice, beautiful, sunny day, and today I decided to actually do a little bit of cleaning of my backyard. I will be showing you guys. I do have a small spot where we plant our veggies every season. So last year we had a really good harvest, and this year I decided to share how I clean my backyard, how I plant my veggies for the season. So I will be showing you guys how I clean it. It's pretty messy. I will show you how messy how messy it looks right now, but we will be doing the cleaning. So in this video, I will show you how I will be cleaning everything, and probably I'll make another video where I will be showing you guys what kind of veggies I will be planting in my backyard and how I plant them. So stay tuned if you want to watch me clean my backyard. If you enjoy cleaning and if you want to see me clean my backyard. So we will just get started. I'll show you how it looks at the moment. So I'll just get my gloves on before I get started because, we do have quite a lot of dried bushes that we will be cleaning. So let's get started. So I will just get my gloves on and get on with it. It's pretty messy at the moment. So we have to take off all the bushes in the back. So we had bottle gourd bushes that has dried up from last season. So I'll be taking care of that, cleaning that up. And, we do have some sticks that I have to remove from here before I plant my veggies for the season. So guys, I do have this mini bird feeder, but instead of putting any food in it, I'll be putting the dried grass so the birdies can come in and grab some grass from underneath it. I'll show you how I put it. So just open it like this. Now we will put some dry grass in it like that. Yes, guys. So I just finished cleaning up everything here, all the dried bushes and all the sticks. Yeah, guys, I just finished cleaning up my backyard for the veggies. So next, I'll be sharing with you guys how I plant my vegetables in this area. But I will definitely be sharing with you guys in one of the videos like how I plant my veggies. So if you're interested, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Take care.